mask vibes. I am practically selling all of my brandy Melville stuff. This is manifestation at its finest. Okay, so for today's video, I am standing in this very brown corner right now. This is my closet. It actually looks really huge compared to me, but I promise you it's not big at all. Because today I'm gonna do a closet clean out. I am gonna go through all my clothes. I feel like there's a bunch of clothes in my closet that I haven't worn or I've just like grown out of. I feel like we all have those pieces where we bought because we thought it was cute and we saw a vision, but then the vision wasn't giving when it was on. Yeah, in my previous video I did a buying my dream wardrobe right here. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. But I bought a bunch of cute clothes and I need to make space for it. My style's kind of all over the place because I have too many pieces that I don't wear and that aren't just like me anymore. So yeah, time to get rid of it. Let's open her. Is this invasive? You're getting to see my closet. I also have like 2 layers up here and another layer down there. Just off the bat, I'm just gonna show you what I'm keeping. So I already know that I'm gonna keep all of these. These are kind of just like my graphic shirts that are gonna come in handy, especially when it gets warmer out. Yeah, I've definitely shown these like in a thrifting. Like I've thrifted a majority of these. This is actually like my first shirt that I've ever thrifted, like I don't know how many years ago. Off the bat, I'm already seeing some questionable things. Like for example, I bought this literally not so long ago and it is cute. Like she's cute, but I don't think she's for me. So this is kind of like the first thing that I'm gonna put on Depop. It's literally brand new. Should I try it on? No, I kind of just like already know that I don't want this. This, oh my god, this pretty little thing top, so cute. Yeah, she's not going anywhere. Also, I feel like I should organize it. A long sleeve, okay. Turtlenecks, super cute in theory, right? For me, I don't know if it's like my proportions or something, but the neck, it doesn't give, but it's such a good layering piece in the color. Literally nothing is organized in my closet right now. Okay, another thing, another sweater vest situation. This is just not my style anymore, basically. Okay, this top, this is a brandy tank top. I feel like a lot of people really like this. For some reason, this cut just doesn't work on me. So I'm also gonna be selling this. I'm gonna list everything like under $20 for like the stuff that I'm showing in this video. Yeah, so this is just going onto Depop. Okay, this top has potential, right? It's just like a white button up, but it's like cropped, and then in the back you can tie it and it's super cute, but it just doesn't work for me. So she is also just gonna have to go onto Depop. Another brandy crop top that I thought I was gonna wear, honestly. It's a really cute top, but she's gotta go onto Depop. All of this is gonna be like, no. Thrifted this. Why did I thrift this? I don't know. I think it can be cool in theory. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure out how to style that. Now for my almighty tops. Okay, these were super popular and I still think they kind of are popular, or almighty is still kind of popular. I have literally never worn this really outside. I've worn this probably twice outside and these are pricey. So she's going on Depop, but these are super cute. So maybe I'll try them on. Okay, I'm gonna try these on, but these are already going on to Depop. Okay, here's my top. This is definitely a Pinterest buy, inspired by Pinterest. It looked cute on the white girls and I was like, and then I'll put it on. It literally, this color, like I feel like it washes me out. Is there a stain on this? No, I'm actually just going insane. I don't like this top. Yeah, she's gotta go. They both gotta go. Okay, I changed my top situation because it is too cold and I need sleeves. This top is like the one shoulder reversible stitch top. This is cute. I posted an Instagram picture on it. Here's my Instagram. Follow it if you want to. I've literally had this since like middle school. Forever 21. What is this? This is donation. Okay, now this top. I bought it off of someone, like a friend. It's cute. It is cute, but I haven't worn it. It's just a cute little baby tee. So my camera died. So while my camera died, I went through all of my clean clothes. I folded it, I put it back in. They're just mainly sleep clothes, like nothing really important. I am practically selling all of my Brandy Melville stuff besides my sweats. I think they're called like the Rosa sweatpants. Those sweatpants are amazing. I'm currently wearing some right now. The like smaller pieces, I guess I've learned my lesson that I don't really care for basic pieces. I have worn this though in a video. It is super comfortable and everything, but like honestly, I just don't wear it enough. Last is this gray cardigan. Also, again, just not my style really. Next, bodysuit. You know, she's cute. It's kind of like a straight line kind of thing. Bodysuits are just not my thing, so this is also going on to Depop. Oh, another Brandy Melville top, Depop. I feel like I've mentioned this in like a couple of my videos that I get super attached to like my clothing pieces, but like right now I don't feel attached, and I need to take advantage of that because I need to just get rid of a bunch of this stuff. Next is this Almighty, another Almighty top, but it's different. It's kind of this like corset, tie-dye yellow acid mushroom top. I'm not gonna get rid of her yet. I got rid of my other tank tops, but this is cute. I wear this. Okay, this dress. Okay, see, you see how there's like no organization here? Dress, backless. I've only worn this once. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, I recently got this. This is like a new piece. I'll show you what I got. Manifesting to go to Cancun. I literally bought this during the Zara sale and was like, oh, that would be cute in Mexico. Do I have a plane ticket to Mexico? No. Are there any plans? No, but I bought it anyways because it was on sale, and it'd be such a cute beach cover up. Like, look at the back. And she was $10. So I think this is manifestation at its finest. I'm gonna continue buying pieces as if I'm going, and you'll just see the vlog. You'll see the Cancun vlog. Don't be surprised. I liked wearing, I never wear it on its own. I like to wear it like layered. Does this look like it'd be cute? It kind of does. Okay, I'm not gonna give up on her yet. Like maybe in the summer. Also, I just love, like, as a society, actually not a society, that is being generous. I just love the wave of calling things she. Like, it's fun. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Okay, now this I've thrifted. She's really cute. She's like knitted, and I don't think she's my style. Actually, she totally could be though. If I haven't worn it, it's been months and I haven't worn it. Depop. Okay, I bought a slip dress. Was I being delusional when I bought this? Kind of. Because where in the world am I gonna wear it? It is so cute though. Like, I couldn't pass up on it. But I don't know. I think it's not for me. I think the Depop girlies would like this. I was too caught up in the idea of it and being like, oh yeah, like if I could style this, would be cute, but this is not my style. Okay, so I have moved to the floor. I have my bag here. We're just gonna go through it. Like, this is cute. Oh my god, this would be so cute for Valentine's Day, actually. This is my Halloween costume. But she's cute. She's not going anywhere. I have this black corset, the infamous corset. Yeah, she's not going anywhere either. Then we have this turtleneck situation. Like I said, turtlenecks are not for me. Bye. Bye. Okay, this top, it has like a heart rhinestone thing, and then it goes up, and it's like a kind of like a tank halter, and it's like super tiny. I am not going to be selling this because with Euphoria being such a thing right now, I'm not giving this away. This top, I don't know why it's in this bag. I wear this like all the time. Just like a long sleeve cropped black top. Then I have this Hello Kitty rhinestone top. Do you see this? This is baby size. This is infant child size. I don't know why I bought this and thought this was gonna fit me, but I'm gonna just put this is gonna be on Depop. I don't know. As you can see by the stuff that I'm just like pulling out, I got frustrated one day and just was like, bag, I don't want to see it. The things that I'm pulling out right now, this thing, am I allowed to put this on the internet? I've never worn this. This could be a mask for all I know. Mask vibes. It came with the corset. Yeah. Please, look what I found. Does anyone remember these Brandy pants? Or at school, everyone would be wearing these. Or they'd be wearing some type of striped pants. I can remember when these were just everywhere. and I was so annoyed that they didn't fit me because I was too short. So I had to roll them up. Yeah, they're actually really hideous. Yeah, I'm gonna put on some music and I'm just gonna kind of get through this painfully and save you the pain as well.
I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first, Lucian.